Hello dear students, welcome to e-learning classes of P.N.AMERSEY High School. Today we are going to discuss about classical carousel and waste management. Now students, our first topic today is classical carousel. One of the most ancient classical music forms, Indian classical music is highly respected the world over. Remember that Indian in this sense refers to the Indian subcontinent. Indian classical music is a part of the heritage of India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh as well as Sri Lanka. Students, here in this topic we will learn something about Indian classical music terms. Here students, Indian classical music is highly respected all over the world. It's a merge of the heritage of India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh as well as Sri Lanka. So students, in page number 44, the first question is identify these famous Indian classical musician. Here pictures of few Indian classical musician is given and we have to identify, and below the names of these famous Indian classical musicians are given. We have to identify these names. So students, the very first picture is of Bhimsen Joshi. So here we will write number 8. The below answers, the numbers are given to each and every Indian classical musician. We have to write those numbers here. This picture is of Bhimsen Joshi. And the next picture is of M. Bala Murali Krishnan. So here we will write 9. This picture is of M.S. Subbalakshmi. So here we will write 7 as the number given to M.S. Subbalakshmi is 7. Then students, this picture is of Girija Devi. So here we will write number 5. This is of Zakir Hussain. So here we will write number 3. And here we will write number 2. The name of this famous Indian musician is Ali Akbar Khan. And students, this picture is of Bismillah Khan. So here we will write number 1. Here this picture is of L. Subramaniam. So here we will write 6. And this picture is of Ajoy Chakrabarti. So here we will write number 4. Now in page number 45, the question given here is how many of these important classical music terms do you know of? Here few questions are given. On the basis of this we will write the classical music terms. First one is, what term is used to describe the classical music of the northern part of the Indian subcontinent? Here we have to write the term which we will use to describe the classical music of the north part of Indian subcontinent. The answer is Hindustani. Question number 2. What term is used to describe the classical music of the southern part of the Indian subcontinent? Students, here the term to describe the classical music of the southern part of Indian subcontinent is Carnatic. Here you can see that the term used to describe the northern part was Hindustani and the southern part is Carnatic. Third one, which term denotes a single musical note in Indian classical music? Students, to denote the single music note, the term used is Swara. Swar is the single music note. Here you must have learnt about the classical music. The swars are sa, re, ga, ma. So the single musical note is called the swar. Fourth one, which word denotes the combination of musical notes in specific order to convey specific emotion? Here the musical notes which are in a specific order and which convey a emotion. Emotions means bhav. That word is called raga. Raga will denote the bhav and the musical notes in the specific order. Fifth one, what concept common to all classical Indian arts denotes the artistic mood or emotion of a composition? Which word denotes द आर्टिस्टिक मूड एंड इमोशन ऑफ द कॉम्पोजिशन, जो एक कॉम्पोजिशन का भाव दिखाता है, ऐसा कौन सा कंसेप्ट है? सो द आंसर इज रासा. रासा इज द कंसेप्ट to denote the artistic mood. Now sixth one, which word denotes the rhythmic pattern of a musical composition? The rhythmic pattern एक म्यूजिकल कंपोजिशन का, एक सॉन्ग का जो म्यूजिकल कंपोजिशन होता है उसका एक रिदमिक पैटर्न होता है, उस पैटर्न को कहते हैं ताल. सो द वर्ड ताल डिनोट्स द रिदमिक पैटर्न. Now seventh one, which word means a duet between two musicians? When two musicians are doing a duet, that is called jugalbandi. Now eighth one, which term in Hindustani or Carnatic classical music refers to the introductory portion of a raga? Students, the introductory portion of raga is called alap or alpana. Ninth one, which term means the decorative additions that a musician add to her or his performance? If any decorative addition is done to a musical performance by a musician, is called alankara. 10th one, what word refers to the singing of the musical notes instead of word of composition? Students, here we have to find out the word which refers to the singing of the musical notes. If we are singing the musical notes, then the word is called sargam. Now students, our next topic is waste management in page number 46. Now what is waste management? Waste management includes the process and action required to manage waste from its inception to its final disposal. With pollution, climate change and depletion of the natural resources at an all-time high, proper waste management is the call of the hour. How environmentally conscious are you? First one, which of the following is not a recyclable material? Recyclable means able to be recycled or can be used again. And from the following option, which is not a recyclable material? So the answer is plastic. Second, what are the 3 R's of waste management? So students, the 3 R's of waste management are reduce, reuse and recycle. Third one, what is raw material sent to a waste recycling plant called? Students, here the recycling plant, waste recycling plant, the raw material which is sent is called recyclate. Here we will write the answer, recyclate. Fourth one, what kind of farming avoids the use of chemical ingredients? Here students, nowadays chemicals are used for doing farming, and if the farming which avoids the chemical ingredients is called as organic farming. In organic farming, no chemicals is used. Now fifth one, what is the fertilizer that can be made at home by using food and plant waste called? Students, many of the persons nowadays make the fertilizers at home using their waste food and plant waste, and that type of fertilizer is called compost. Sixth one, what color are the bins marked for biodegradable waste? So students, here the answer is green. Green colored bins are for biodegradable waste. Seventh one, what colors are the bins marked for recyclable waste? The answer is blue. Blue colored bins are for recyclable waste. Name the kind of gas that causes global warming. Students, here global warming means the long-term heating of the earth climate system. Here the gas which causes the global warming is greenhouse gas. Ninth and the last one, what is the inhuman practice of making people collect sewage? The inhuman practice of making people collect the sewage is called Manual scavenging. Students, with this we end our video. Thank you.